have this beautiful ceramic pot, and it is quite heavy. It has very impressed by the packaging that it came in. It came in nice and, you know, secure, so I didn't have to worry about it breaking. When you get it, you do have a little screen that you can put over the hole. This is attached, so you're not going to be pulling off the base. But I'm going to go ahead and transplant some of these plants into this pot as it is kind of overgrowing its basket. And here's what it looks like situated with all of my other ones. And as I get closer to the finish, it is a little on the smoother side, but definitely very pleased with the way that it looks and is housing my plant.